installing our web browser. By default, most of our systems come with web browsers. Like for Windows users, it comes with Internet Explorer. For Mac OS users, it comes with Safari. But to have an easy way to display our web pages, it's very important we have some, if not all, of these browsers. For the Mac users, you can go with Safari and every of these, but for the Windows users, we can just go from Microsoft Edge to Mozilla Firefox and Chrome. So how do we install that? Okay, since I said by default it comes with a browser, so I'll be going to my browser now and showing you how to do that. I have Chrome already installed, but if you don't have Chrome installed, you can go straight to your browser and click on, you can type in Google Chrome, download, and refer to page, and you click on the download Chrome browser. By default, it's going to select your specific OS and it's going to download for you. See here we have download for Mac OS or later, so we can choose to click on the download button and it's going to start downloading, and when it's done to tell you it's done, just a few steps, okay, and all that. Then we can also go to another one and get our Mozilla Firefox and go straight to download Mozilla Firefox for Windows, or you can select your Mac OS or whatever OS you're using. You see Mozilla for PC, you have download Mozilla Firefox for Mac, and there you go in installing your browser. Once your browser is set up, okay, I think I don't have Mozilla. Okay, so once your browser is set up, it's easy for you to start your work. And okay, we have it now and it's coming up, and so it's going to automatically begin soon, and we have it downloading, and when it's done downloading, we'll come back when it's done.